what are you doing right now?
I'm just about.
I'm on my way to go get a drink. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
This is my client Chin, and this happened within 3 hours of approaching women on our first day of coaching. Within a minute of approaching this girl on the street, he used my approach hack, and boom, she asked him out on an instant date. And here's the thing, I've been using this hack myself for years to create the kind of relationships I used to only dream about. I've taught it to countless clients, and it's worked every time, except once. So today, I'm gonna show you how my client Chin got an instant date with a total stranger despite having zero experience approaching women, the secret approach hack that instantly makes women attracted to you, exactly how it happened in Chin's case, and how you can apply this approach hack yourself and attract the dream girl you've been too afraid to approach. Now, you're probably thinking, I bet this guy is super confident. I bet he's a natural ladies man. But actually, no. Chin's been battling anxiety ever since a bad breakup a couple of years ago. He got it into his head that women wouldn't like the real him. So he figured his only shot at getting a date was to pretend to be this super nice guy all the time. So when he experienced his first instant date ever, where the girl asked him out within a minute of saying hi on the street, he was literally mind blown. So, how did he actually get an instant date with a total stranger? Technically speaking, it's pretty simple. He saw the girl on the street, something about her caught his eye, so he went up to her to say hi. But what you might not notice though, is that he approached her the perfect way. To get this perfect approach, he spent 3 hours with me fine-tuning, seeing how I do it, showing me how he does it, getting feedback, and doing it all over again. Now, perfecting your approach changes your life, as it has mine. I've invested the last 15 years approaching women all around the world and teaching men how to do the same. And the thing is, you can have the best intention, but if you don't have the right approach, you're making it incredibly difficult for them to get to know the real you. It's like having the best YouTube video, but without the right thumbnail and title, you don't hook anyone to watch it. So he spent a good amount of time making sure he understands how to approach the right way. First, I demonstrated how it's done.
Hey, excuse me. This is gonna sound super random, but I just saw you and you look really nice. So I wanted to come say hi.
Then, I broke it down for him.
Put my hand out. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, stop. And smile. As I'm doing it, I'm making eye contact even before I say anything. I'm making eye contact and then I'm like smiling. Hey, this is gonna sound a little spontaneous, right? And then I go from there. And then even though I was there, you could hear me very clearly, you know? So tonality, very, very important. And then I'm slowing down. I'm not like, hey, excuse me, this is gonna sound super random, like,
After this, it was his time to apply what he learned. He did a couple of demos.
Excuse me. Sorry. You're right. It's gonna sound very random, you know. But I was just walking past and I thought I would stop you because I think you're really well put together. Hey, sorry, excuse me. I know it's a bit random. It's a very nice day out, but I just thought in the midst of all this, like, you really stood out.
There were a couple of areas he could improve on right away, like creating an authentic masculine vibe with the right stop and being comfortable with the space. So we helped him tweak it with more detailed feedback.
that let's say like you wanna buy a Maserati.
Okay.
Really nice car, right?
Yeah.
And everyone knows that it's a nice car, right? And then you're approaching and you're like excited about it at first.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you're finding out about it, and then boom, it's Maserati. Like, you know that it's shiny,
Yes.
but you still want to know, okay, what's the interior? Is it like
Yeah.
leather? Does it drive nice? You are finding out about it, right?
Yes.
But then you're still excited. But then there's like the salesman trying to like sell you, and then you're trying to kind of banter back and forth, and you're like kind of like you're a little bit suspicious, chin vibe. Like, like
Yeah.
a little suspicious, like, I don't know. Like, is this really, this type of vibe?
So, and you jump from topic to topic, so I can't really like focus on you. And you only like giving me questions, so I'm just kind of feel even awkward sometimes.
You might be wondering why I spent a good amount of time getting this right for him. And here's the thing. Studies say that over 90% of communication is nonverbal. So when a woman gets approached by you, before even processing what comes out of your mouth, she'll notice your vibe, your body language, facial expressions, and tonality. Even though Chin had experienced some rough patches in his love life, he's a solid guy with an amazing heart. So we helped this approach vibe match his personality. After he downloaded the perfect approach and integrated the initial feedback, he started approaching. He said hi to a girl walking super fast, a girl sitting down, a girl in a shop, and a group of girls. He even said hi to a girl who told him she was 16 and he immediately exited.
That's a bit random.
I'm 15.
Oh, okay, no worries.
Over the course of 3 hours, he said hi to a dozen girls, perfecting his fundamentals with my feedback and honing in on the perfect cold approach each time. All of it went by super fast because Chin took massive action. My favorite type of student. So after all the focus training and tweaking, when he approached this girl, everything just fell into place. Okay, so here, you see the way he approaches her. He puts his hand out to signal that he's about to approach her, and he stops right in front of her, leaving a bit of space in between them, but not too much. Exactly how I taught him.
Excuse me. Hey, sorry. I know it's a very random time, you know. It's a very nice day, clearly. I missed all that. I just saw you walking by and I wanted to say, like, you're looking amazing.
Notice his smile. Notice his open body language, standing tall with his chest open. Notice the way he projects his voice. It's booming.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I got it in Turkey, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wait, did you go there recently?
That's in April.
Oh.
No trace of shyness in here. He's also not rushing with his talk. He takes his time. The fundamentals are strong in Chin's approach. Even if you couldn't hear their conversation, you could feel the connection. She's hooked right away, asking questions, showing interest, and sharing more about herself.
Yeah.
Alex, by the way.
Alice.
Alex. With an
Alex.
Yeah,
Oh.
And literally, within a minute of him saying hi, she invites him out to go have a drink with her. That's right, she made the move.
I'm on my way to go get a drink. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But here's the thing, there's more to it than just nailing the first 10 seconds of the approach. Even with a perfect initial approach, if you don't express your vibe correctly or lead the conversation with the right frame, things can quickly go south. You could come off as weird or creepy, undoing all your good work. And this is where Chin used what I call the authentic value hack. This framework flips the script on traditional approaches, getting her attracted and invested in him almost instantly. So, what exactly is the authentic value hack? Before I reveal the authentic value hack, let me ask you, if you saw a cute girl on the street and mustered the courage to approach her, what would you do? Most guys would go up to her, say she looks cute, and ask for her number. If it doesn't work, you think, well, at least I shot my shot, and repeat the process. This is how 99% of guys I've come across do it. If they all did the same thing and succeeded, I wouldn't be here teaching this, would I? Now, think about it from her perspective. A random guy compliments her beauty and asks for her number. She'd probably think, well, hold up, I don't know you, and I get compliments all the time. Why should I give you my number? It's just another random compliment with a request attached. And this is where the authentic value hack comes in. And it's the most important thing I've learned in 15 years of mastering and teaching the art of approaching women. The authentic value hack is a method of approaching and connecting with women that focuses on genuinely offering value through unique observations, authentic expressions, and sincere curiosity without expecting anything in return. Like the typical approach where you're asking for something like her number, attention, or affection, you're giving something, your authentic perspective and curiosity. When you genuinely offer value, everything changes. Your self-worth isn't tied to her response, there's no hidden agenda, and women can sense this immediately. Well, they're more intuitive than men, you know? Ironically, because you don't need anything from her, yet confidently express yourself, she becomes curious about your world and emotionally connected to you.
Are you American?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you here for long term then, London?
I used to live here for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's break down how to apply the authentic value hack. First, set your mindset. Before approaching, tell yourself, I am here to offer value and connect. I'm giving her the gift of my presence, observation, and curiosity. Second, make genuine observations. Notice details about her style, energy, or expressions. How does what you've noticed about her make you feel?
The way you're eating that, it's like the most delicious hot dog ever. It's true.
Third, express authentically. Share your thoughts and feelings about your observations. Be specific and descriptive. This unique perspective is your gift to her. And remember, we're all curious about how others think about us. When you offer your authentic observations, she'll become intrigued about your thoughts and perspective. Now, back to Chin's footage. Let's see the authentic value hack in action.
Excuse me. Hey, sorry. I know it's a very random time, you know. It's a very nice day, clearly. Amidst all that, I just saw you walking by and I want to say, like, you're looking amazing, man.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. I love your, like, necktie. Like, I got one of these from, there's a shop where I buy, like, my perfume and they give those up for free.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I got it in Turkey, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What, did you go there recently?
I was there in April.
Oh,
Yeah, it was just like on a long layover. I was on my way to South Africa.
wow.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Alex, by the way.
Alice.
Alex, with an
Alex.
X. Yeah, I have a
Oh,
weird accent. So
I like that, with the X.
People always think I say Alice.
Yeah, no, I like your accent. Yeah, you're,
Thank you.
yeah, you said South Africa, didn't you?
I'm actually American.
I'm like, what?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
but I've kind of lived a bit all over the place. So.
Ah, yeah, I would have guessed. Like, when I was walking past, like, I thought, okay, you're probably English, but no, like, I'm completely wrong, aren't I?
No, not
Yeah.
at all. So I'm
Wow.
just kind of here for work holiday.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Why is someone like you leaving tomorrow, man?
What are you doing right now?
I'm just about, like, if
Do
you
you
want
want
to
to
do
get a
something.
drink?
Yeah.
I'm on my way to go get a drink. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Chin starts with, "You look amazing, man."
So you're walking by and I want to say, like, you're looking amazing, man.
But he doesn't stop there. He dives into why, pointing out her necktie, and this gives her a chance to share more about herself.
I love your, like, necktie. Like, I got one of these from, there's a shop where I buy, like, my perfume and they give those up for free.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And when she tells him her name, he doesn't just nod. He says he likes it and explains why. It's all about giving that genuine reaction.
I'm
Yeah.
Alex, by the way.
Alice.
Alex, with an
Alex.
X. Yeah, I have a
Oh,
weird accent. So
I like that, with the X.
People always think I say Alice.
Yeah, no, I like your accent.
Then she mentions where she's from, and Chin's like, "What?"
Yeah, you said South Africa, didn't you?
I'm actually American.
I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You can see how real his surprise is. He's not putting on an act. He's just being himself. He shares what he first thought about her background, and when she drops that she's leaving tomorrow, he's genuinely like, "Why is someone like you leaving so soon, man?"
Kind of here for work holiday.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Why is someone like you leaving tomorrow, man?
You can hear the disappointment in his voice. And right there and then, she invites him out for a drink. They end up going on an instant date and somewhere else for another drink that day. And Chin keeps using the authentic value hack the whole time, and she's loving it. At the end of the instant date, which I didn't get to see, she asks him to see him again the next day before her flight. That's pretty crazy. Now, this is mind-blowing for Chin. For years, he thought being himself would push girls away. But in just one day of coaching, he completely shatters that belief.
Yeah, almost disbelief. Disbelief has negative connotations, but it's like, I couldn't understand how we got this far in like a couple hours, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Crazy,
time,
right?
if you use it well, yeah, if you use time well, you can do ridiculous things with it, yeah.
Okay, so now, how can you apply the authentic value hack in your life and attract that dream girl you've been too afraid to approach? But first, you might be thinking, isn't it easier to just use dating apps? Let me ask you this. When's the last time you actually had an amazing date from an app? Here's the truth. Most high-value women aren't on these apps. They're out living their best lives. By relying on apps, you're missing out on meeting them. Even if you do see them on these apps, you're up against some serious competition. You're mostly judged on looks. If you're not naturally confident, faking it online only gets you so far. So if you want long-term success, it's way better to work on your real-life confidence and communication skills. It's like learning how to ride a bicycle. You learn by doing, failing sometimes, getting feedback, and improving. Sure, getting matches online might feel good for your ego temporarily, but relying on it means you're not giving yourself or her a real shot at showing your true vibe. Do you really want to leave your love life up to chance? Look, I won't sugarcoat it. Learning to approach women in real life isn't easy at first, but trust me, it's a total game changer. It's a life changer. It skyrocketed my confidence and turned me and my clients into someone who can connect with anyone, anywhere. Also, think about it. Your dream girl could be anywhere. By mastering this skill, you're not limited to apps, clubs, or bars. You're ready for any opportunity that comes your way. So cold approaching might feel tough now, but with the authentic value hack and the right guidance, you'll be getting results you've only dreamed of, just like I did, just like Chin did. Now that you've seen how powerful the authentic value hack can be, let's break down how you can apply it in your own life to attract that dream girl you've been hesitant to approach. First, set your mindset. You are here to offer value, spread good vibes, and explore potential connections. Next, Start observing. Notice details about people around you. What are they wearing? What vibe do they give off? How does it make you feel? Then, express those observations. When someone intrigues you, approach them immediately and share your genuine thoughts. Next, build a habit and make it lifestyle. Set a daily goal for approaches. It's about consistency, not perfection. When I started, I challenged myself to approach at least 3 women daily after work. I gave myself an hour before meeting friends for dinner, and this time pressure really pushed me to make it happen. Treat it like a lifestyle. This isn't a sometimes thing. Make it part of who you are. This is how you make sure you don't give up, even if it gets tough. Qualify for magic and compatibility. Once you're vibing, dig deeper. Ask about their values, goals, and see if they align with yours. Last but not least, have fun with it. Remember, this is a skill set. Some people won't click with you, and that's okay. Keep improving and spreading your vibe. Now, doing this alone can be extremely time-consuming, and you might question if you're on the right track. If you're serious about creating your dream love life, here are 2 powerful options. Option 1, team up with a like-minded friend and apply what you've learned today together. You'll keep each other accountable and make faster progress. Option 2, fast-track your success like Chin did with my exclusive personalized coaching program. This program goes way beyond just learning how to approach women. I help you build genuine, unshakable confidence and provide a tailored game plan along with accountability to create the extraordinary life you've always dreamed of. It has helped countless men achieve massive success in their dating lives. If you're an action taker and committed to saving time, energy, and money, you might be a good fit. Book a call with me today to see if you qualify for this transformative experience. Spots are limited, so act now. Last but not least, don't forget to join my newsletter for behind-the-scenes insights on creating love around the world. Keep calm and vibe on.